Greetings to everyone, my friends. Welcome to a new educational series. Binance Futures are on the agenda of all of Turkey these days because we want to make a lot of money without actually working hard. This is a natural instinct. I don't mean that in a bad way, but free cheese is only in a mousetrap. But still, if you learn futures really well, you can make good money. But be careful who you learn futures from because the risk is high and the reward is high. With this training series, I will explain futures trading step by step without skipping any point in a good way. It may seem a little slow at the beginning, but as I said, it is a series created for beginners. We will also have a single video that contains all of what I explain in this video. It will be at the end of this series, friends. Let's move on to our video without wasting any more time. Friends, I am Monte Crypto Contu. I create cryptocurrencies and Binance related content for you on YouTube. If you like this kind of content, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Today's topic is to earn tens of thousands of dollars with Binance Futures, which you are all very curious about. Everyone in Turkey wants to make a lot of money because it is a period when we are economically challenged. Now friends, the introduction of our playback series and the video explaining what futures are. I will show our playback series on a mobile phone because when we check YouTube data, 80% of our viewers use phones. That's why I'm telling it from the phone, but in the future there will be a video where I explain it from the computer. In total, friends, we are thinking of 9 videos. You are seeing these videos now and we are in the first video. What is Binance Futures? How to use it? We call it from scratch. Now Binance Futures actually has 3 names in total. The other 2 are Binance Futures and Binance Leverage Trading. They all mean the same thing. It allows us to get bigger positions using leverage. How can that be an advantage? For example, you can see me right now in these futures on the top right side. I have $100. But look, friends, when I open a position, let's open a position like this, friends. Look, even though I have $100, I opened a position of about $1,000. So if I trust the analysis and the price, I can trade with a much higher amount. Now there is a very simple saying, the more risk, the more reward. So we are actually increasing our risk in leverage trading. In return, we increase our reward. It allows us to open big positions with little capital. Now I will explain the logic to you, friends. Look, this is my futures wallet. The question everyone asks, teacher, if we fall short in the futures wallet, will I be in debt? No, let alone debt. You will never be in debt. Apart from that, at the same time, friends, your wallet in the spot balance will not melt. So futures are a separate wallet. You will neither fall into deficit nor go into debt. Now look, on the upper right side, I have a balance of $100 in my futures wallet. But I'm confident in my position and I actually want to make a trade of $500. I set my leverage on futures to 5. My $100 is now trading as if it were $500. What does that mean? It means this. If ASOC goes up 20% from here, I multiply it by 5%. If ASOC goes up 20% from here, I multiply it by 5%. I make 100% profit and double my money. This is the reward side of the business. Look, we made the reward bigger. And then there's the risk side. If the dollar drops 20% from here, all my money melts. That's the risk side. Normally, if you do not encounter a case like Luna in spot buying, which is 1 in 1,000, your money will not melt down. Let me give a few more examples. Then I'll talk about a few details. For example, let me tell you about 22s. I use 22s leverage. I have a $100 position and the position I entered increased by 2%. 2% times 20 times 40%. So my $100 reaches a total of $140. This is how the account works. In futures trading, we can also open a short. What does short mean? In short, the more it falls, the more profit we make. When it goes up, for example, we multiply it by a percentage. In short, we make a profit when it falls exactly. This is the logic of short. Now there will be many things we will talk about here in our training series. For example, you need to know the important concepts isolated and cross. We will talk about opening short and long. We will talk about market limits and stop limits here. Important topics. Let's open one more position. Then friends, there are take profit and stop loss here. There are tricks to use them. We will explain them one by one. We'll read the order board. We'll talk about the funding fee, we'll talk about the calculator, we'll talk about commissions, about futures, everything from A to Z that you can think of. So after you finish this video, you need to open the next video. Of course, we will add videos in series now if you subscribe to futures trading through our reference links. We also have our analysis group. It's a closed group. You can join this. We also have a futures group. You can join that and you can earn $30 guaranteed. The details of these are available in the links in the description of the video you are watching. By the way, my friends, the video you are watching right now is award-winning. 2 friends who like the video, subscribe to the channel and retweet our tweet in the fixed comment, earn 300 liras each from us. You see the previous winners on the screen. Futures are also friends. You can do it with USD, you can do it directly with coins. There are options involved and there are trading bots and there is copy trade. We'll look at some of these as well. Futures are actually a deep sea. And on the internet, on Twitter, you see ENL from the influencers, maybe sometimes from us. Profits are showing up. $10,000 profit, $20,000 profit. For example, CoinMen's last position. It even whetted my appetite. They closed the position, by the way. $400,000 and $500,000 in profits. It's a place where there are very good profits, but it's also a place where there are risks and losses. I will give you a good training here in the most efficient way, and then you can use futures a little more safely by studying technical analysis, by taking technical analysis trainings. Especially friends, commission fees on high leverage can sometimes be a pain in the ass, and it can melt the principal. We will tell you what you need to pay attention to about these. Thank you for watching the first video. Be sure to watch the rest of the series. At the same time, if you have friends who are curious about futures, you can send them the link to this series. Also, ask anything that comes to your mind. We read all your comments. And in our next training videos, in our next regular videos, we are making more efficient videos by processing the questions you ask in these comments. Hope to see you in another video. Goodbye.